So guys, let's look at what are traits. Okay, traits in object programming. Basically what traits are, they are methods that we can use in multiple classes. That's just what traits are. So let's just create a new file and let's just call it traits. Okay, this should be .php, so apologies for that. And this will be traits.php, right? This actually .php, not comma php. Okay, .php. So we got the spelling correct. So the syntax is we just need to apply the trait keyword, and right here we can just say $sign, and this will be trait. Instead of calling a class, this is actually going to be trait. And you can see you can call this sum. So this is actually this, we give it a trait name. So the trait name, I'm just going to call it probably we can call it trade names, just like this. We can call it trade name, and right here within this we can just do some codes right there. Okay, we can just put in some codes. So let's just go ahead and write some basic code, and right here I'm just going to say public function. Okay, right here I'm just going to say probably addiction. So we can just echo something simple, and we can say hello. Okay, and right here all we need to do is let's just go ahead and echo let's just go and echo hello world. Okay, hello world, and this is all we need to do right here. Okay, and right here within our any class at all, so let's just go ahead and include this trait file right here. Okay, so let's just require once, and this will be traits.php. Okay, this will be traits.php. Then right here, to actually use this traits, we can now say use, and we call on the trait name. Okay, hopefully that makes sense to you. So the trait name is trait name. So we didn't actually get a nice name to give to this, but it's all good. So we can now use that trait name. Okay, then we have access to this method right here. Okay, so let's just go and echo out that method. So $sign my class, let's just see hello. This is actually hello. Okay, and let's just echo this out. Okay, and yeah, this is all we need to do. So let's go out to my class, this class right here, and you can see the hello word right there. Okay, this actually we actually have a method that is returning hello word right there. So let's just change this to hello word 2 so as to differentiate them, and if we should refresh, you can see the hello word 2 right here. And I said this trait can actually be used within multiple classes. So let's just go ahead and use this in another class right now. So right here, probably in our access, we can just use this right here, and we can now say use. We can use this, and let's just say use probably, what do we call it, trait name. Okay, and right here we can now echo this out. Okay, so let's echo access, and this will be hello. Okay, hello. So right here, let's go back to our access, and you can see the hello word too. Okay, and you can see how we can use it within multiple classes. So that will be all for this video. I'll see you next video. Stay tuned, guys.